Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to do an overview on some Maggie Holmes embellishments that I've been working on. And none of these were like originally my idea, so advisory warning. I've been inspired all around the world. Okay, so first things first are these cute little, what are these called? Kites. Kite embellishments. Super cute, and these go perfect with the Carousel collection. So this is the paper pad that I was working with, and look, it has kites in it. So this is like perfect embellishment, and I just put some sequins in there as like shaker bits. This is the Sizzix die I used. I found this die at Tuesday morning, probably 2-3 weeks ago. And literally it comes with all of the pieces, you know, imaginable that you can make different creations, different styles of kites. You can even make a boat, and this fancy boat over here. So it tells you what numbers to use. So there's tons of like pieces, itty bitty pieces in there. So I really liked this Sizzix triplet, Stephanie Bernard. I don't know. There's the number at the top. So yeah, I really like the way those turned out. And then I just puffed them up, some words on there. Second thing is the Happy Jig. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw me one night, probably about a month ago, just cranking out all these wire letters, I guess? Words? Not letters, words. In the different colors of the wire that they offer. On the top, I just did a little die cuts, the Maggie Holmes gem, did some stitching. I did move my sewing machine on my craft desk. It's actually right here in touching distance, and it's plugged in, so that I could use more, you know, sewing on some of my detailing work, I guess you could say. If you guys want to see how this works, Craftingwithliller did a tutorial like on how to make some, I think she did shape and then a word. So she'll show you like how to do it if you're interested in getting this. So it's super, I love the way that, I made this word up on my own because once I got the hang of it and knew which size circle made which size loop, I just started, you know, making my own thing, and that's how I made that one. But it gives you the tutorial how to do hello and yay as well. Another thing is this little sequins mix I made with all of my Cartwright sequins, and I just mixed them all together, some with Michael's and then some seed beads. I just did a little baggie, and then from the ephemera pack, well, most ephemera packs that I get come with some type of frame like this, and I'm always like, what the heck do I do with these frames, you know, like. So I saw Pink Strawberries on Instagram. She packaged up some goodies in a bag and then just, you know, taped a frame to the top, and I thought that was a really, really good idea. And then so I just did a little bow using ribbon from Hobby Lobby, and then I just cut this little Maggie Holmes die, I guess, punched it and put a rope, kind of like a price tag. So I thought that was super cute and a good way to use those like awkward frames. Then I made these little, I don't know what these are called, banner bunting flags. Made that up. Ara here on YouTube, she's the Thepapertreasury. I will link her down below. I'll link everybody down below. She made these. She has a tutorial on like how to do these, and I just thought I couldn't wait to make these for the Carousel collection, but I haven't worked with the Carousel paper collection yet. So now I finally have my chance, so I was like scrolling through her videos trying to find the tutorial. But I think they turned out super cute. And then this, I did these last, so I used all the scraps that I had from my, you know, making all my other stuff. And then some Nuvo drops in that clear blue color. And then these guys are so cute. I think this is my favorite embellishment I've ever made, only because I sewed a circle. I did 3 different layers, all can't really catch it on camera. They're all puffed up. these little like cotton candies and ice cream, these little resin pieces are actually buttons, and they sell them on, I got them at, I think Joann's or Michael's, maybe Hobby Lobby. They're just those little dress it up button packs, and this is like called Snack Attack. Super cute. But I've seen tons of girls on like Instagram making these. I am absolutely Alice. On Kate's Desk made little circle clusters. Adriana Alvarez. I mean, those girls are all sorts of inspiration, and they make tons of clusters like this. And these are so cute. And they're my favorite. Okay, so that's like all the little handmade embellies that were specifically made for this Maggie Holmes Carousel collection. Alright guys, I'll catch you on the next video.